Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with JJ Academy. In today's video, we are going to see the concept area. So what is the exact meaning of area? So area is nothing but the amount of surface covered by any shape or region. Okay, it tells us how much space is inside a boundary of any region or shape. Okay, while calculating area, we always consider inside shape, inside region of any diagram. Okay, where it is exactly used, what are the application of areas? So it is mostly used in construction. Okay, to measure the land, flooring or walls, that time we use area. Similarly, suppose we have to paint of if you have to paint your house, so that time also to estimating the paint needed for surface, we use area. In agriculture field also, calculating the field size for crops, we use area. We calculate area. Similarly, suppose you have to design any fabric, to fabric measurement also in tailoring field we use area. And in architecture, yeah, mostly is in architecture field we use area concept. To planning parks, okay, or stadiums or any layout, okay, we use area concept. So there are many different shapes or regions and different formulas also for areas. One by one we'll see. Like you can see the first formula. First formula is square. The area formula for square is, we know that in square all sides of square are same, right? So if S is the side of a square, then its area will be side square, means A is equal to S square. That is the formula for area of square. Similarly, rectangle. In rectangle, we know that opposite side of rectangle are similar. So this horizontal line is length and this vertical line is width, right? So the formula of area for rectangle is area is equal to length into width. Formula number 3, triangle. The shape is triangle. In triangle, this vertical line is a height and this base line is a B, base, right? So the formula for area of triangle is area is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. Remember all these formulas, okay? Similarly, parallelogram. The parallelogram formula is nothing, is almost the same like rectangle, means area is equal to base into height, okay? So this horizontal line is a base and this vertical line is a height. You have to just multiply these two terms, you will get area of parallelogram. Trapezoid, formula number 5. This was the formula number 4. Trapezoid. In trapezoid, this small a is upper length or upper side and this small b is the lower side, bottom side we can say. And this h is the height of a trapezoid, right? So the formula for area of trapezoid is a is equal to 1 by 2, you have to add upper side and bottom side, okay, means a plus b, and you have to multiply by height, means h, okay. So area is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b h is the formula of area of trapezoid, okay. Then formula number 6 is rhombus. The shape is rhombus. So if we join opposite points of opposite to any 2 points of rhombus, then you will get diagonals, right? So to find the area of diagonal, what you have to do, you have to just multiply these two diagonals. So 1 by 2 times d1 into d2, okay, that is the formula of area of diagonal. And finally, final region is circle. We know that this one is the center point, and if we connect the center point with any point, then this distance created is called as radius, right? So the formula of area of circle is a is equal to pi r square. A is equal to pi r square, okay. So these are some shape standard formulas of some standard shapes. So you have to remember all these formulas so that you can solve any question of area concept. Let's see some question on this concept so that your topic will be clear. So in question number 1, they have given L-shaped curve, okay, or L-shaped curve, and we have to find area of this shape, right? So they have given some distance also here. So what you have to do first, initially you have to find the remaining distance, like this region, we don't have value of this region. So what I'm doing, I'm just connecting this point like this, okay. We know that suppose what I'm doing first, I'm just naming this, means A, B, C, D, E point and F point. So AB distance I have 9 centimeter, right? But I have to find, I will do one thing, I am considering this point as a G, okay. So I have to find AG distance. So this, if EF is 3, then obviously this will also be 3, right? So BG will be 6, right? So I subtract just 3 from 9. Similarly, this distance will also be same. and if you join these 2 points, G then H, I am considering this point. So this total distance is 8. If I subtract 3 from this 8, so remaining will be 5. So AH will be 5, right? So now what I am doing, initially I am finding area of rectangle. I'm considering AGEF. Okay, that is rectangle. The formula of area of rectangle is length into width, right? L times W. So the length is, you can see here, 8 and width is here 3, right? So 8 times 3 will be 24, and area we always denote in centimeter square, or if the units are in meters, we have to consider meter square, right? Now what I'm next finding, area of rectangle BCDG. Okay, area of rectangle BCDG. Okay, so again you can see this also look like a rectangle because opposite sides are same. So the height, again same formula is length times width. So length is here 6 and width is here 5, right? So 6 times 5 will be 30. 6 times 5 will be 30 centimeter square. This will be the area of rectangle BCDG, right? But we have to find area of whole shape. So the total area is equal to area of rectangle AGEF plus area of rectangle BCDG. Okay, what you have to do next, you have to just add these two areas. So 24 plus 30, right? So you will get 54 centimeter square. This will be the total area of this L size shape. I hope this topic is clear, or this problem is clear. Let's see one more question. Here they have given a T-shaped curve, right? Again same, what you have to do first, you have to just connect these points and naming this first. So what I'm doing, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay, I'm just naming first this diagram. Now again same, you can see here both curves are, if I divide this diagram, this shape, so we'll get two rectangles, right? So again same, initially what you have to find, area of rectangle A, B, C and H. Okay, A, B, C, H. So you can see here, initially I have to find AB first. I don't have size of AB or length of AB. So you can see here HG is 4, FE is 5 and DC is 3. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So this distance will be 12, right? If this one is 4, then this will also be same 4, right? So now formula is again same, it's rectangle, it means length into width. So length is here 12 into width is 4. So 12 times 4 will be 48 centimeter square. Okay, this will be your A1 area. I'm considering this area as A1. Okay, now you have to consider, find area of GDEF. Okay, GDEF. So again same, this one is also rectangle, so length into width, you have to apply the formula. Length is here 5 and okay, you can see here length and width is same, it means it's not a rectangle. I'm sorry, length into width we can't use this formula because you can see here this distance is also 5 and vertical height is also 5, it means it is a square, right? So area of square GDEF is side square, right? Side square. So side square means 5 square and 5 square will be 25. 5 square will be 25. Now what you have to do, you have to add this, you have to add these two areas so that you will get total area. So now what I'm doing, I'm finding total area. So total area is equal to, this will be, I'm considering A2. So total area is equal to A1 plus A2. Okay, so A1 is here 48 and plus A2 means area of square GDEF 25. If I multiply these two terms, 48 plus 25, let me put this in calculator. So if I add these two terms, 48 plus 25 will get 73, right? So 73 centimeter square. This will be your total area. So before finding area, you have to check which the given curve is either rectangle, square or triangle. Okay, and as per shape you have to apply the formula. Now in question number 3, again same. What you have to do first, you have to naming first. Always remember, you have to naming diagram first. So A, B, C, D and E. Okay, I'm connecting this point E and B. Okay, I'm connecting point E and B. So you can see here now ED and BC is same, it means it is 8 and this one is 6 centimeter, opposite sides are same, right? So now initially I'm finding area of triangle AEB. What is the formula of area of triangle? 1 by 2 into base into height, right? So 1 by 2 into height we have 5 and base we have 6 into 5. So is equal to, you will get 1 by 2 into 6 will be 3 times 5, that is 15 centimeter square. Okay, I'm considering this area as A1. Okay, so you will get area of first shape, area of triangle AEB is 15 centimeter square. And next, area of rectangle EBCD. Now you can see here, this is the rectangle. Why? Because length is here 8 centimeter and width is 6, right? So the formula is length into width. So length is 8 and width is 6. So 8 times 6 will be 48, right? This I'm considering A2, second area. Okay, this area I'm considering A2. And finally what you have to do, you have to find total area. So the total area, how will you find total area? You have to just add A1 and A2. So the value of A1 is 15 and the value of A2 is 48. So if I add this, we'll get 48 means 63 centimeter square. Always remember, you have to give units while finding area. Okay, so the total area is 63 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way you can find area of any shape. Okay, let's see one more question. Okay, so that your topic will be clear. Now you can guess this shape. This is a trapezium, right? The given shape is a trapezium and they have given upper length, that is small a, 15, lower length, that is b, bottom length is b, and height is 20 centimeter. So what is the formula of area of trapezium? So the formula of area of trapezium, so here only we have only one shape, so I can directly denote it by A only, no need to write A2 or A1. So area is equal to, initially write down the formula, 1 by 2 A plus B into H. So 1 by 2, A is here 15 plus B is here 30 into height is here 20, right? So 15 plus 30 will be 20 by 2. You can see here 20 by 2 will be 10. Okay, and 15 plus 30 will be 45. Okay, what I did first, I just divide 20 by 2. So 20 by 2 will get 10 and 15 plus 30 will be 45. So area is equal to 45 into 10 will be 450 centimeter square. In this way you can find the area of any triangle, any shape. Okay, let's see one more question. Find the area of circle. Find area of circle whose radius is 3 centimeters. Okay, we have to find area of circle whose radius is 3 centimeters. So we have the formula of area of circle, that is area of circle is pi r square, right? So we have value of r, radius they have given, So pi into r square means 3 square, or simply pi means what? Pi means 3.147, or 22/7 also you can use, into r square means 9. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm just multiplying these two terms. So 3.147 into 9. 3.147 into 9, you will get 28.32 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way you can find area of circle also. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just remember the formulas of areas. Okay, if you by heart all the formulas of area of any shape, then you can solve, you can find any area of any shapes. Okay, if you want to do more practice on this concept or any other concept, so I have already mentioned in my description that we have online classes also. You can join our online class also to solve, to do more practice or to get good marks. Okay, and if you want to see more videos like this, so just subscribe our channel and like and share also. See you in next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.